Okay, I just got to show you this recording macros because I'm convinced it's the easiest way to learn how to program. If you're trying to learn how to program anything, this is the way to do it. We're going to go down here. Here's all my sheets, current sheets. I'm going to add a new sheet by clicking Insert Sheet. And we can just type a name here, test macro. Okay. We're going to go up here to macros, and again you go to home. You can see that you're going to have to click the view menu, and then you go to macros and then click record macro, and then we're going to type a macro name, and we'll just call it test. How about test macro? Okay, we're going to click OK. And now we're just going to give it a test. I'm going to go to here to this B4 cell, and I'm going to type in A, and then B, and then S, U, C, D, F, Z, T. Okay? And now I'm going to go up here, and remember it's recording all of these moves that we're making. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to select, using the Shift key, I'm going to select all those cells. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the Home menu, and I'm going to go over to Sort. I'm going to click the Sort, and I'm going to select Sort from A to Z. Okay, and you can see that it sorted the cells that we selected. Now I'm going to go ahead and select the cells again. And then I want to change the formatting color, so I'm going to click Format Cells. I'm going to pick a fill color here as red, okay? And then I'm going to pick a font as white, and okay. So I changed the font color and the background color for those cells. Now I'm just going to go down to this icon here that's recording our macro and tell it to stop. Okay? So now all the macro has been recorded, and to show you it works, I'm just going to delete this cell, this sheet, delete. I think this will be the easiest way, and I'm going to create a new sheet. I'm going to go up here to View. I'm going to find our macro by clicking Macros, and I believe we called it test macro right there. Now to look at the code, because we're interested in programming, there it is. There's all the code. It shows us typing in the letters, then it shows us selecting a range of cells and applying the sort algorithm to those cells. Then it shows us selecting the group of cells again and applying colors to those. Okay? And you can see the color values and everything there. There's the end of the subroutine. So you can look at all the code, and you can close the code. You could make changes to the code, but we're going to run the code on this current sheet. So we're going to click Macros. We're going to find our test macro that we recorded, and we're going to click Run. Okay, so it found a mistake. Active workbook, and it has the test macro name we named it is no longer there, so we're going to have to change the name of our new test macro. So we're just going to close this code window, and we're going to delete these values, okay, and then we're going to change the name of our sheet that we're using to test this with to test macro. Okay, and now we're going to try it again. We're going to go to macros, we're going to go down, select our test macro that we recorded, and we're going to run it. And there you go. It worked. Okay, so it typed in our values, selected our values, sorted our values, and changed the colors and fonts for our values. And that's all there is to it.